Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to see which of your friends are currently playing Roblox on your PS5. This makes it really simple to join their games and play together. So now let's get started. First, in order to see active friends and Roblox on PS5, you need to open your Roblox on PS5. Then go to your friends section. From the main Roblox menu, you need to go ahead and choose Friends. This will display your friends list. Look for the green dot or online indicator option. Friends who are online usually have a green dot next to their name, and this indicates that they're currently online and playing Roblox. After that, you can join your active friends. Choose the friend that you want to join, and if they're in the game that allows friends to join, click on Join Game option, and now you can play together right away. Some friends might appear online, but they may not be in the game you can join. You can also filter your friends list to show only online friends to see just the active players and keep your friend list current by refreshing the menu. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.